Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a haul of some things I've picked up over the past couple of weeks, both from Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree. So if you want to see what I got, then just please keep watching. So starting with Dollar Tree, I recently picked up a shelf to put into my bathroom. I had a space behind my toilet that needed just some filling, so I ended up getting a shelf from Home Depot. I think that was about $20, and then I just needed some items to put on the shelf just to kind of fill the space. So starting off, I just went to Dollar Tree and picked up a couple candles and some vases. This one here just says like the Rose Collection. It looks super fancy and cute. And I picked up these two vases to put on the shelf. I'm just gonna fill them with some Q-tips and cotton pads just to make it look kind of cute. And then lastly, I just picked up this little vase here. It's just a candle holder from the Dollar Tree, and it just looks kind of rustic and silver, and it would just look really cute up on that shelf I got. So next I went to Hobby Lobby. They had a great sale on farmhouse things. I believe it was 80% off. So I picked up a couple things I'm going to show you here. This first part actually isn't part of the farmhouse sale. This was $59.99 and it was on sale for like $9. And it came with different letters so that you can change it out to whatever you want it to say. But I'm going to be putting this in my laundry room and just changing this quotes. We always walk into the mudroom, which is my laundry room. So like if it's Father's Day, then I can change it to say like Happy Father's Day or something like that. But I just thought this was super cute and an easy way to decorate and change what you want it to say. Next, I got this sign that just says Gather, and it just has some cute detail here with some rope. This was $23.99 and I got this for $6. So I'm going to be putting this above my stove. It's super cute. And then the next items I'm going to be putting like above my cabinets, like that space between the cabinet and the ceiling, just to kind of fill. This here is like a plate platter, kind of rustic. You can see like some detailing of like little etches where it looks like they kind of scraped it up or like it's an antique. And this was, I took the tags off these items for some reason. I think this was $19.99 and then 80% off of that. Next, I got this jar. This is made of like the same material as that platter. It's kind of like a tin metal. Just a really cute white jar, kind of looks rustic as well. And then lastly, I got this cute little sign that just says locally grown. Just a little picture of some apples, and there's a cute detail of some rope work and stuff like that. I have a vegetable garden, so this kind of goes great for the season right now, and just wanted to add it to my collection. So that is all for my haul video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment below of what you got from the 80% clearance haul from Hobby Lobby, and I hope to see y'all in the next one. Bye.